My name is Victor Finch. I'm Director of International Admissions at the University of Toledo in Toledo, Ohio, the United States of America. In all of our academic programs, my job is the Director of International Admissions. My job is to recruit international students from all over the world. So we've got students from 84 different countries on campus. We've got almost 2,000 international students. But what our programs don't want are classes of just Indian students, just VIIE Lankar students, or just Chinese students. We want our international students to fit in with the community, with the academic community. So all the classes, although they're cohorts, are set up with all students, American students, other international students. So you aren't just going from VIIE Lankar classes in Mumbai to Toledo, you're going to a whole new university and going to be exposed to new classes. So at the University of Toledo, we have a lot of built-in advantages. We do have our own medical school, we have our own hospital. So the pandemic, yes, students at Toledo did get COVID, and some students were in the hospital. We're really able to contain it. So we did much better than most campuses in the United States. In saying that, we did move 80% of our classes online during the pandemic. Currently, 80% of the classes are face-to-face. So we say 100% opened. I don't think anybody will go to 100% again, but we are 80% open.